Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the right hardware and confirming compatibility. Check your Chromebook's ports. Newer models use USB-C, older ones may use USB-A. Once you have a USB-C to RJ45 or USB-A to RJ45 adapter, plug the adapter into the Chromebook, then connect the Ethernet cable to the adapter and the router. Do this now so you can move into configuration without interruption. Make sure the router port is enabled and the cable is seated firmly to avoid an intermittent link. Once the physical link is live, open Settings and go to Network, then select Ethernet to see status. You'll usually get an IP via DHCP automatically. If not, choose Network Details and switch to Manual to enter a static IP, gateway, subnet mask, and DNS. This fixes address assignment issues. While you're here, confirm the adapter's link lights and the router port indicate activity, because physical link problems masquerade as configuration failures. If needed, reboot the router and to finish, verify internet access by loading a website or running a speed test. This confirms DNS and routing are correct. If you don't get connectivity, power cycle the adapter, Chromebook, and router in sequence, then recheck settings. Make sure Chrome OS is updated because driver fixes can resolve adapter compatibility. If problems persist, swap the Ethernet cable or try a different adapter to isolate hardware faults. One key tip: if DHCP repeatedly fails, assigning a known good static IP often restores access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.